Alright, today we got a little bit of a different video. We're gonna go check out a new Holland. That's how you pronounce it. Skid steer. Just grabbing a couple tools. The guy said if you can free the motor up, it'll crank. We're gonna see what we can do with it when I get there. I'll get you a cold start and old Cummins. Alright, we made it. Here it is. Everything seems to be here. Doesn't look like any dry ride lines or anything. Now, he said the motor seemed like it was locked up. So we're gonna try to get the stuff pulled off the back of it, see if we can't turn that crank with a breaker bar. Oh, we get this radiator out. Oh, it's got a new turbo on it. She's making oil. Just by looking at that, I'd assume nothing majorly is wrong with it. It's full of hydraulic fluid. Seems in the tank on this side. Right here. Yeah, it looks pretty clean in there. I wouldn't imagine why it don't run. Let's get this radiator and stuff pulled out so I can get to that crank better. We got another one down in here. You gotta take loose. Probably should have drained that coolant, but it's mostly just water. Alright guys, change of plans. That's I guess it's an intercooler for the turbo. Or whatever it is. It won't come out unless I take the line off up there and down in here, as you can see. So we're gonna go a different route. We're gonna try to pull this fan stroud off. And I've tried from this side here, but there's no way I can get the socket in between the fan stroud and the pulley with the breaker bar on it. So we're gonna try to pull this fan stroud off and pull the fan. Maybe just pull the water pump off so we can get to that whole area right here better. Let's change the plans. So alright, after fighting with it all day, we finally got the water pump and the fan stroud out. Had to unbolt the whole back and pull it back. Just to get this one bolt here, because it was wedged up in between this tank. But now we got a clear shot on our crank pulley. And I've already put the pipe wrench on it and it is not moving. So now we gotta put something down the cylinders and see. Yeah, she's pretty wedged. Oh yeah. We're gonna put a bigger pipe wrench on here. Alright, so this is where we're at with it. We tried breaking it loose, just broke the bolt loose and it would not turn the motor at all. So we're gonna, I guess, pull the motor out. So we'll catch you guys in the next video when we're pulling this motor out.